I was drowning in the storm I kept inside my chest, trying to save the world, but I forgot about my rest. Love was dripping toxic, sliding heavy on my skin, but pain became the teacher that reminded me within. Every drop that fell was just a lesson in disguise. Every heartbreak was a mirror, putting truth before my eyes. I wiped away the poison, let my spirit speak out loud. Healing never felt so bright. I walked right out that cloud. It was like rain from a toxic cloud falling down on me, but I washed it off my soul and found who I'm supposed to be. Let the storm just fade away. Now I'm standing strong and proud. Feel the vibrations lifting me above the darkest crowd. I'm alive, and my heart is speaking now. I turned the pain to power. Watch me rise, I know my crown. No more shadows holding me, I'm glowing from the inside out. It was rain from a toxic cloud. Now I'm sunlight breaking out. I learned to love the parts of me I used to hide away. Gave my broken pieces room to breathe and find their place to stay. I forgave the version of myself that didn't know her worth, and honored every scar that carries stories from the earth. Now my heartbeat is a compass pointing only towards the truth. My spirit dances freely like it rediscovered you. Reflection in the mirror looks like strength and joy aloud. I'm the rain and I'm the rainbow. Baby, look at me now. It was like rain from a toxic cloud falling down on me, till I opened up my heart and let my deeper self be free. Let the thunder fade away. I'm my own healing sound. Vibrations moving upward like I'm lifting off the ground. Now I love who I become. I don't chase what drags me down. I found comfort in my voice and royalty in every noun. Every moment now is peace. I breathe the sunlight and so proud. What was rain from a toxic cloud is now love that wraps around. I rise into my power like a phoenix lit in gold. Every truth I claim becomes a story to be told. I walk within a wisdom that no darkness can erase, and gratitude is glowing like a sunrise on my face. The universe inside me sings a melody of grace. I'm stepping in my purpose. Every step becomes a place where healing flows forever, never silent, never bowed. And love pours from my spirit like I'm dancing in the clouds. It was like rain from a toxic cloud, trying hard to drown my flame, but I rose above the storm and now I'm calling out my name. I'm the healer, I'm the lover, I'm the soul that wasn't found, till I broke those chains inside me and returned to sacred ground.